A warm welcome to our public corner. I'm standing here right in front of our police car demo. Let's see what this one is all about.
Whether it's emergency services, rescuers, aid workers, or civil protection, these mobile teams need to act quickly, efficiently, and safely when on duty to successfully complete their tasks. With legendary durability and connectivity, TOUGHBOOK devices, docks, and accessories have the power to manage demanding shifts, meet faster response times, and gain instant access to vital data, all while reducing error and maximizing public and officer safety.
That was a very interesting mobile technology for today's smart policing. Come to visit us here in our campus in Munich to see more demos in action. Next week will be tough as well.